really easy to clean your diffuser with 3 simple tools that all household will have in their homes. And number 1 is water. You can actually choose to use filtered water if you have filtered water. Otherwise, depending on where you stay in Singapore, tap water is really good enough. So secondly, use a white vinegar, not apple cider vinegar. And the next tool that you need is the Q-tip. Last but not least, you need 10 minutes of your time. So isn't that fast? Stay with me and I'll show you how simple it is to clean your diffuser. How often should you clean your diffuser? And it is recommended by Doterra that you should clean your diffuser at least once a month. And then the best way to remember to clean your diffuser is really just to put an alarm clock so that you remember to clean all your diffuser at least once a month. It is important to actually clean your diffuser so that the residue doesn't build up, reducing the efficiency of the diffuser. So Doterra diffusers are ultrasonic and medical grade. So therefore, you have to be gentle when you actually clean the inner part of the diffuser so that you don't damage the diffuser. So do check out my next video on why Doterra's diffuser are one of the best diffuser for using pure essential oils so that you don't get harmed unknowingly by plastic toxics. Alright, so let's just get started on how I actually clean the diffuser. So be careful if you have any residual water in your diffuser, just making sure that this part where the power cable is dry and that you don't pour the water out on the side of the power cable. So I'm going to start pouring water into the sink. It's always good to work near a sink. Okay, so usually I would actually take a paper towel and wipe out any residue inside the diffuser just in case there's any oil. Okay, alright. Then there's usually a line in the diffuser. I'm not sure if you can see it. So fill it up halfway to the maximum mark. I would recommend dripping 10 drops of vinegar into the diffuser. So it's just an estimate, right? Okay, or you use this container. You just cover it up and then you start the diffuser and turn it on for at least 5 minutes. Okay, so we are all set up. So the diffuser is turned on for the next 5 minutes. So it's really very easy to actually clean your diffuser because the items are all available in your household. The vinegars are really great natural cleansing agent, and water, everybody has water, right? And you just need a clean Q-tip to get it done. Alright, so let's just wait for 5 minutes for the diffuser to run. Okay, we are 5 minutes up already, so I'm going to off the diffuser. Okay, and then I'm going to open up, and also remember to clean up the top of the cap of the diffuser. Okay, just gently wipe it down. I do like to put a little bit more of the vinegar, okay, because vinegar is really a very good natural cleansing agent. Alright, and then unplug this carefully and then just pour it out from the side. Yeah, so I'm going to pour it out. Okay, and then next step, what is important is that now you use a Q-tip that is already soaked in vinegar and then gently rub it. Yeah, okay, I will gently rub the corners and the areas that have a little bit more of difficulties in getting the dirt out. Okay, and then gently rub these sides. Okay, usually when you diffuse oils like clove or even On Guard, which is a staple essential oil in most people's homes, you get all these residues. So do clean it up. You still see some yellow residue, so do clean it up. Okay, alright, I think we are ready to go, and I'll just give it a little rinse and we are good to go. So there you have a very clean diffuser. And if you have extra time and you don't mind diffusing it for another 3 to 5 minutes just to clear it up, just to allow the vinegar to further break down the residue if you haven't been washing your diffuser for a long time, so just turn it on for another 3 to 5 minutes for a second round. So that would allow the deep cleansing. If you find value into my video, remember to like and subscribe, and look out for my next video on why you should consider using Doterra's diffuser and why diffusing is one of the best way to bring the oils in quickly into your body. So I'll see you in my next video.